Hi everyone, my name's Mike. I am the CEO here at Dogmight, and we are super pumped to bring you the D20 tribute screen here on Backerkit. We've successfully crowdfunded 25 projects and have been making ttrpg gear for a decade. We're a small, dedicated team of craftspeople that make everything on site here in Michigan. If this is your first time hearing about us, check out dogmight.com to get a feel for what we do. Thank you for taking a moment to check out the video. The D20 screen is an amazing piece of gear, and we are so excited to partner with Backerkit to bring the project to life. We look forward to connecting with the community and getting your feedback on the project. Thank you for your support. It means the world to us.